we will take a look at the Boole generator in Cinema 4D. The Boole generator is used to actually get the union of two objects, or the subtraction of one object from another object, or the intersection of two objects. To demonstrate this, let's first create a cube and then also create a sphere like this. Let's make the sphere intersect the cube. Okay, like this. Now let's create the Boole generator. So you go to the subdivision surface, you click and hold, and then you have the Boole generator here. So we select it. Now we select both the sphere and the cube and make it a child of the Boole. Now by default we have the Boolean type is A subtract B, meaning the A object, you subtract the B from the A object. And when you look at our object hierarchy, the sphere is the first object inside the Boole, so that is the A object. The cube is the second object, so that makes it the B object. Okay. And when you come to the Boolean type with the Boole selected, you have other modes or other types. You have the A subtract B, which is what we have here. We have the A union B. The union means it will combine both of them to create one object. We have A intersect B. It will give you the intersections, the parts where they intersect. It will give you that part as the object. And then we have A without B. It will give you the A object without the B. And then because the B is also intersecting with the A object, it will also not give you that intersection, so we just give you the A. Okay. Now the position of the objects in the hierarchy matters. Now the sphere is A, so if you put the cube at the top of it, now the cube is what? A. Okay, now you see that with the A subtract B, now we are subtracting the sphere from the cube. So you see that we have the hole here. This is the shape of the sphere where it intersects with the cube. So if we change those two, the same, we will get those effects or those objects that we were getting on the sphere, because we're now making the cube the first object, which is the object A. So basically that is the Boole generator in Cinema 4D. It combines two objects and gives you the union of it, or it subtracts one object from another object and gives you that as an object, or it gives you the intersections of two objects as a single object. Thank you and see you in the next video.